everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. So today I am presenting one very healthy and tasty breakfast recipe, a fluffy spinach cheese omelette. It's very filling and it's very simple to make also. So first you need to check out the ingredient list. And now let's start. So first you need to finely chop the fresh spinach. Here I have taken 200 grams spinach. Just finely chop them and then keep it aside. And once it is done, take 2 bowls and now one by one break the eggs. Now separate the egg whites and egg yolks. So here I have taken 6 eggs. Now add salt and pepper to the egg white and whisk the egg white till it becomes foamy. Whisk it properly. This will only help the omelette to become more fluffy. Now also whisk the egg yolks. Now add the egg yolks to the egg white mixture and gently mix this. Now add this freshly chopped spinach. Gently mix it. And now in a heated frying pan, add oil. Once the oil is heated, add freshly chopped green chilies and the finely chopped onions. Just you need to saute them for 1 or 2 minutes till the onions become little soft. Now add the rest chopped spinach. Saute this well. Add little salt. And now you need to add the egg mixture to the frying pan. Now spread the egg mixture evenly. Now first you need to cook this in high flame just for 1 minute. Spread some black pepper powder. And now just cover the lid and put the flame in low flame for 2 minutes. Now you need to add the cheese. So here I have taken 2 cheese slices. Just cut them in any shape. I preferred in this type of triangular shape. See how I'm doing? And now just add the cheese slices on the sides of the omelette. Spread some oil from the sides. so that it don't get stick. Now put the cheese slices in one side. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And now again cover the lid and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes in low flame. It can take some more time also depending on the tawa size, egg numbers. Now the omelette is done. The top part is also cooked nicely. Now fold the omelette and take it in a plate and start your beautiful day with this yummy Spanish omelette with some bread toast, some side items and some fresh juice. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, then please like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.